Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we are here with another helpful video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a new VPN app that can help you maintain a stable and secure connection while browsing online. This app can also improve your overall connectivity, and it's already available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if anything is unclear. This helps you stay updated with all future videos. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. This is where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN, which is called ENZ Tunnel Lite VPN. This app is designed to provide fast and secure internet access. From the results, choose the correct app by checking the name and icon. Once you confirm it's the right one, tap on it. After that, install the app on your device. When the installation is complete, tap the Open button so we can move into the setup process. Before adjusting the settings, I want to take a moment to welcome both new and returning viewers. On this channel, we share apps and tutorials that help you stay secure and improve your online experience. Now let's open the app. Once you reach the home screen, you'll need to make a few simple settings so the VPN works properly. The first step is to tap on the 4 small circles at the top. From the menu that appears, select Online Update. This will refresh the app's resources and help it provide better performance. After updating, the next step is to pick your country network name from the selection box. Tap there and in the search field type UDP. Today's video focuses on UDP, but if your country doesn't support it, you can choose a different network name from the list. For this tutorial, I'll select Uganda UDP as the example. Once you've chosen the network type, the next step is to select a server. Tap the server box and either pick a server that works well in your location or keep it on auto-select. For many users, auto-select provides the best connection because the app chooses the most suitable server automatically. After completing these steps, the final action is to connect. Simply tap the Start button to activate the VPN. As you can see, the connection has been established successfully. Thank you for watching.